Yeah, okay, guys, this is about the tiny house design. I'll review this tiny house design with the dimension around 2.7 meter for the height of this tiny house and the length of this tiny house around 9.2 meter. So you can see about the simple tiny house, but it has a lot of feature over there. It has uh, letter L or L shaped outdoor decking in here. You can see about this decking plan over there. It would L shape with connected to the front entrance and the side entrance anyway. And you can see about the tiny house for the surrounding wall anyway. For this surrounding wall, it has a lot of window over there in the ground area and the upper area over there. We can see for the several window because it has a two loft bed over there. It has a two loft bed with this small height of this tiny house. It has a two loft bed, so it will be interest for this tiny house to accommodate for several person in this home anyway. Okay, we can see about the space. We can see about this section for this tiny house anyway. Okay, we can look for the arrangement, room arrangement for the left to the left. Okay, I will explain to all of you for the left side to the left side. For the left side, it has a small sofas area as a living room or guest room or um, many more activity over there. And for the center position, it has a cabinet that could make the space for the small refrigerator and the washer machine, and it has small some cabinet and stair. So the stair are a lot of function over there. The stair, the bottom of the stair could give the space for cabinet, refrigerator, and the washer machine over there. So this is about the compact design of this interior of this tiny house. And for the left side more, it has wardrobe over there with a mirror anyway. So it could make the room feel spacious than as usual for this for some tiny house before. But the wardrobe are make the room make the room more spacious feel anyway. You can see what the concept of this arrangement anyway. Then for the left side, it has toilet area with two unit wastafel and with a mirror, and also it has a tall slim window over there to make a daylighting to make sure that this bathroom are have a daylighting enough by this small tall window anyway. So we can see about the first floor arrangement first floor arrangement or the loft bed arrangement. It has two loft bed on the right and the left side, and every single loft bed has window access. So for every single loft bed has enough daylighting from the outside anyways. So and after that it have some several skylight on this roof anyway. This is have three skylight. For the center skylight are for middle room anyway, are for middle room, and the both of skylight more are on the left and right loft bed anyway. Okay, so we can look for the first section, for the first floor section or the ground floor section. We can look for the room arrangement, and we can see about the TV cabinet over there and the side entrance door right here. And this is about the simple right kitchen cabinet with a kitchen sink, and it has cooker space over there, and it has several space to accommodate for more cabinet as the user want anyway. And this is about the shower cabinet. But anyway, this visualization are need to be detailed because anyway, the floor actually in the real life, the floor are not from the wood texture but from the tile or porcelain anyway. So because this is just for the arrangement of the floor plan and the room of this tiny house anyway. So we can look more for the loft bed area anyway. We can look more, and this is access for the loft bed. It access from the stair anyway. Then this is the left side of the loft bed, and it has simple bridge over there with a railing and with a fence or railing to safety consideration anyway. Then this is about the loft bed on the front side anyway. This is loft bed on the front side, so it could see for the front view on this tiny house. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be some benefit or some inspiration of this tiny house design anyway. So, and wait for my next design review on this channel. Thank you.